you guys? It's your girl Zaya, and if you can see by that thumbnail and that title, well, I'm going to be showing y'all what I got for my back to school supply list, y'all. So I got some things and I'm gonna be showing y'all that I got for school, and yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. I want to go and say I'm sorry I haven't been posting. I said this in almost every video. Yes, y'all, I just got my hair done today, so I'm really feeling myself. But anyways, I rolled to 400 subscribers, so I want to thank y'all for everybody that's joining my channel, and I hope everybody still stays and support me. I hope y'all go follow me on my Instagram, my TikTok. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into this video. I don't want to keep on talking. Let's get to the real deal. Because I got a bunch of videos to do tonight. So yeah. So let's not waste no time. Make sure I hit that subscribe button. Make sure I hit that like button. Make sure I comment down below what videos y'all want to see in my next video, okay? First, y'all, I'm going to start off with my backpack. So y'all can go ahead and see what it looks like right here. So this is my backpack, y'all. This is what it looks like. Nike backpack, you know, the one everybody be wanting. This is it, nothing special. They got two little, this is what it looks like inside. I wish they had some more zippers, like, but it's okay. It'll do. I've been wanting this backpack, so yeah. Period. Don't play with this. Okay, I think I'm gonna start off with this first stuff over here. So I'm gonna start off with the small stuff, then I'm gonna work up to the big stuff, okay? So, oh, just to let y'all know, I got all this stuff from Walmart, and I think the total was close to like $70 to $80. Y'all, I'm going ahead and tell y'all disclaimer. I got the stuff that I thought that I would need. I didn't really go based off the supply list because they be wanting y'all to get all this stuff and won't be using half of it. So get the stuff that y'all think you're going to use. So yeah, that's what I did. Y'all do what y'all want to do, okay? I got my bag kind of ripped, so just work with me, okay? So the first thing that I got, a new calculator, y'all. Y'all see it? I needed one because teachers every year, guys, please get y'all a new calculator. Get y'all a calculator. I'm like, okay. I forgot how much this costs, but just know I got it from Walmart. Okay. Next, y'all, I got me some new mechanical pencils. This is 24 pencils, y'all. Mechanical pencils. And then my mom, she had bought me some. This one, guys, it has 32, and it comes with lead. Don't play with her. Don't play with her. Okay. Oh, by the way, y'all, I'm going to 11th grade. Y'all keep forgetting stuff. I'm going to 11th grade. I'm finna be a junior. So yeah, don't play with me. Next thing I got y'all was some pens, just in case I want to change it up and write with something else. I don't really care for the colorful stuff. Give me a black pen and I'm good to go. I got some Post-it notes, sticky notes, just in case so I can put in my notes and stuff. This has 360, so this is a lot. You see it? You'll see it. And I got some glue sticks, y'all, because I don't know if I'm gonna be in art. I don't know if, you know, one day we might just cut some out. I know we're in high school, but I just got 2 packs. That's it, because we might do a little bit gluing, so not too much. Got it just in case, okay? Okay. Next thing I got y'all, I forgot, so I had to use my scissors earlier, so I already opened it out the box, which I already have to put all this stuff in my backpack tonight because school is tomorrow. Yes, y'all, school is tomorrow and I'm mad, y'all. Yes, these are my scissors. Y'all like, why you got them baby scissors, y'all? Well, you in my business? You in my business? Oh, okay, don't do that, baby. I'm just playing. All right, y'all. Yes, I got me some color pencils because, like I said, in one of my classes, we might do a little bit of coloring, a little drawing, so please. So I got the Crazed Art, cheapest one. Is I got one of these, a compass and a protractor set. Because in my last year, one of my teachers was talking about it, and she was talking about some, if y'all want to use mine, they're 75 cents. Girl, baby, got my own, don't matter. So yeah, I got that. Next thing I got y'all is a pouch to put all this junk in. So this is my pouch. I was really just picking stuff, y'all, and we was like in a rush, so like I was just grabbing stuff I thought I was gonna need. So yes, I got the black one because if y'all don't know, I love black hoodie, black weight. Oh, okay. And y'all, my dad, he was going crazy with paper, so we got 500 sheets right here, yeah. And then he wanted to get another one. I'm like, how much paper we finna be using? Which we already got paper at home, so I was like, okay, I'll still take it, thank you. So I got 1,000. But y'all, let's move on to the books and the folders and all that. Okay, so I got 5 composition books. I don't know why I got this many, but hey, it is what it is. So I got this. It's a dark blue, y'all. If y'all can see, it's a dark blue. I got this. I don't know why I kept getting blue, but here go a lighter blue. I got a purple, y'all. And y'all ain't even gonna lie, I forgot how much these cost. I got this one. Yeah, I don't know what it is, but I love these type of competition books. I love that black and white. Like, it always does the trick. I got this burgundy one. I love this burgundy. It's cute. So, yes, those are all the competition books I got. Like I said, they were probably like $1 and something, or they might have been like close to 75 cents, 80 cents. I don't know. I can't remember. We was grabbing stuff, and it was just like, time to go. So let's move on to the folders and let's get into it. Okay, so I think 5 folders. So I got a red one, I got a blue one, and to be honest, y'all, I don't even know if I'm gonna use all these folders. I only be needing like 1 or 2. I don't even know why I bought all these. I would just, please, y'all. I got a black one. This one is not giving sturdy. This is giving like real cheap. I think this was like 50 cents. It's not gonna hold my paper, baby. It's not gonna hold my paper. I got a green one. This is gonna hold 10 papers, and that's it. And I got a purple one. The one that's different is the red one. The red one is the 5-star one. Now, I'm for sure using the red one, but these other ones, I don't know what I'm gonna do with them yet. Might just keep it for my sister, cause my sister in school too. So we're almost done. So then, y'all, I got agenda. Just keep it simple, you know. Put my paper in, keep it pushing, period, don't matter. So I got this, you know. I'm gonna probably put some paper in there tonight. I need to be ready for tomorrow. All right, y'all, so that's the end of that. Well, my school supplies. I'm gonna show y'all my little emergency kit, you know what I'm saying, just to make this video a little bit longer. But yes, y'all, that's all the stuff I got. That was like, all of that was worth 70 some dollars. I can't remember. This is my emergency kit, y'all. My mom, she got this for me, you know, for the girls, you know, the girls, yeah. Mom.
Okay, Nunu. Hey, Nunu.
Well, here you go. Every time I do a video.
Oh, hey, y'all.
So, this is my emergency kit. So, first, I'm going to just pull stuff out and show y'all what it is. So, first, I got some hair ties in case, you know, I need to put my hair up. Hair ties. I got some floss, y'all, you know, in case something gets stuck in my tooth, period. Yeah. Some of this stuff is, you know, self-explanatory, but I'm going to explain it for some people. This is lotion, you know, in case the girl body get a little dry. We got some wipes, you know what I'm saying? Feminine wipes. Got some gum, you know. And this is gonna be the one, you know, like if I really need it, like I ain't telling nobody about this gum, baby. Yeah, mama got me a little deodorant, you know, in case the girl get a little sweaty. Which, y'all, I'm not in gym no more, so it won't happen. But, you know, still, you can always get sweaty. You ain't even gotta be in PE. Let me stop. You ain't even gotta be in PE to sweat just a little bit. So, baby, these right here, when you were walking around in the hallway, swipe some of this on. So I had to transfer to my iPad because a lot was going on with my phone. Well, I really ran out of storage, that was all. But y'all, the way my tablet just fell, luckily I have a screen protector on it, so I'm not tripping about it. So yes, where was I at? I was talking about the Tylenol pills. These right here, just in case. But yes, y'all, that was it. My mom, we didn't buy no pads for me because my mom already has some, so she's gonna let me get some of hers. So yeah, that was it. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, y'all. I already have a bunch of videos to do tonight, so just know there's gonna be some videos coming out after this one. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all can follow me on my Instagram and TikTok. And y'all already know the vibe. So yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.